Hello friends, let us see another question. Let us understand what is the given question. The unkind for compression strength of a saturated clay sample is 54 kilopascal, right? So what they're asking, the value of cohesion for the clay. What did you say? What is given? The unfined compression strength is given as 54 kilopascal. Already we have discussed. Can you tell me what is the cohesion value? So cohesion value is nothing but a unconfined strength divided by 2. That is nothing but a 54 by 2. So how much it will be? 27 kilopascal. So first option is very easy. Right? Then go to the second one. If a square footing 4 by 4 is resting on the surface of a deposit of the above clay, the ultimate bearing capacity. So the footing is resting on the surface. So in general, let us say, according to Tarjagi, what is the ultimate bearing capacity? CNC plus gamma D NQ plus half into gamma into B into N gamma. Isn't it? So what is the type of the soil? The type of the soil is nothing but a purely clay. That means C parameter will exist. And this footing is resting on the surface. As it is resting on the surface, then we can say this value goes to 0. Then what about this gamma B? As it is a clay soil, if you guys remember, N gamma value is not given. So let us imagine that forget about this. So what about the ultimate bearing capacity? As it is a square footing, we have to consider the shape factor. What is the shape factor for square footing? 1.3 CNC. NC value is given? No. If it is a clay, we have to consider it as a 5.7 according to the Terjagi. So whatever the ultimate bearing capacity, 1.3 into cohesion value is no. How much it will be? 27. Whatever the NC value, 5.7. So if you solve this, we will get it as ultimate bearing capacity as 200 kilopascal. So you have to remember the C value that should strike in your mind that it is a 5.7. And also you have to consider the shape factor. And we have to imagine that N gamma is not given. No need to consider that value. Simply we can say 1.3 CNC. Right? Thank you.